crashed off the coast of East Yorkshire, police have said. A member of the public saw the aircraft crash in Flamborough shortly after 13:40 BST. Humberside police said the helicopter had been located near the lighthouse. The force said it was not a Humberside police helicopter. Officers said there was a quantity of what appears to be aviation fuel in the water around the crash site, making it potentially unsafe at present. Loud crack inquiries were being made to establish the circumstances that led to the helicopter crashing, police said. People have been advised to stay away from the area until further notice due to the dangerous